Well, he's here. Boy, what's this be about? Oh, fuck. Jesus Christ. Stop? Damn. Hey, kid. Hey, Steve, Smith. Is there any way we could talk? Oh, yeah, let's talk on the porch. Alright. Uh, with the camera? Yeah. Alright, I'll turn it off. Okay, hold on. What's the facts? Really? No, I'm not doing that. Okay. Listen, kid. Okay, first of all, my name is Steve. My name is Steve. Okay, kid, first of all, lose the attitude. Wait, you're a little posse here. I don't give a fuck what it is, but you all are, right now you're looking to some serious time in prison for what you did, alright? So I'm gonna need you to calm the hell down before I take you all in! My bad, officer. Yeah, you're bad as right. Now listen. You're gonna work for me, or else all the asses are getting thrown in jail. Your choice. Just make your mind, please. Your choice. Okay. Make the choice, kid, please. My name. Yes, sir. Chief Smith. Thank you. What the fuck did I get myself into? Really? Okay. How the hell, and why the hell do I get into trouble for basically taking out criminals, gangbangers? I mean, what the fuck? That's stupid. I mean, oh my god. Oh, fucking I gotta with this asshole. Chief Smith or what the fuck his name was. I don't give a shit. Otherwise, me and... Fuck it. What? Oh. Jail or work with him. Well, you know, I'd be better if I could be inside. At the same time, I don't want to wear a fucking, orange prison jumpsuit. Oh, God. Guys, strike me dead right now with lightning. Anything. Let's just strike me dead right here and now. Do it. No? Of course not. Oh. How would I get myself into this shit? Oh, Jesus. My God. There's gotta be a way out of this shit. I'm looking for the fucking police department, which I don't want to do. Oh, God. And I'm not gonna tell anyone about this. Maybe I should. No. Mate. No. 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 Nope. Oh. Fucking shit. This is so stupid. You know what? I actually just figured out an interesting fact. From what has happened, I fucking hate my life. Yep. Yeah. Now found it out. Found it out. Yep. Fuck the video, I don't care.